Hello, I'm Hafiz. Welcome to another episode of Data Analysis with Stata. Today we are going to talk about how you can keep track yourself. For example, what are you doing and while you're doing data analysis, if you are doing data analysis and you're running a lot of commands, if you want to keep record what you are doing, so then you can create a log file. So log file helps to keep track yourself. For this, first of all, we have open our Stata, and then I'm gonna teach how to actually construct a log file. To do this, first of all, we have to go like the file, and then we have to go the log, and then begin, and then write a name what you want to write. For example, I can write that topic 4, and I just want to save at desktop and formatted is SMCL and save. Now in the output window you can see our log file begin opened 14th May 2021 at this time, and this now anything I will do with this data, anything I will do analysis, any command I run, Stata now will automatically record all what you are doing now. Let's take an example. For example, I just write a summarize command, and I have run the summarize command. The output is there, and Stata has keep recording this. Or we can take another example. If our Stata can be used as a calculator, for this we can use the display command and display 3 plus 7. So you see display 3 plus 7 is 10, and similarly you can also use a display command as a calculator, the data like 15 minus 4. Again you have the output. Now if you want to check what either log file is recording what you are doing or not, just go to the file, then log, then the view. Here I just want to the view the recently created log file, the user desktop and topic 4. I said okay. Now you can see the same command, the exact output, exact command you can see in the log file. So Stata keep recording what are you doing in this command window or in this output window, and all commands and all outputs Stata automatically save. If you close it in the background, because I am not running the commands and things, but it's recorded all information. Suppose if you don't want to include some command in your results, then you can just go and then the log file and then the suspend. And there's a marginal difference between close and suspend. If you close, then log file will be closed and it cannot be recorded again. But if you suspend it, then it will not record the command running after suspended. So if you want to keep recording, you can write other analysis, just like I want to run a regression CO2 on GDP growth and enter, and this is the end of my result, and after that I can just go to file, then log, and then close. Now you can see the log close, and it means that at 14 May 2021 at this time the log file has been closed. And if you want to print your result, then you can just go to the file, and then just you can just like go to view, and here you need to browse. I just have a recent file that is topic 4, and open it, and just after opening, here you can see you can click the print, Here you can click the print and you can find out, you can print this output. In other way, you can just control A, control A, and then you can select all this information by control C, copy and paste in your office file, and after that you can save it. Now there are other options, you can use it to replace, just like as doc command I will talk about in my next videos. This is the log file function and why we do the log file and how it help us. And thank you so much for listening.